Okay, so the very first, most important battles that were fought in the Revolutionary War happened in Boston, Massachusetts, which is right around this area right here. They happened in cities called Lexington and Concord. So the British soldiers came, and they started fighting in the city of Lexington. Nobody knows which side started shooting first, the Patriots or the British. But we do know that the British were the ones that came out successful in the end. So on your Google Doc, in the first battle that was fought, Lexington, that was the British that came out good on top at first. But then they moved on to the smaller city of Concord, and that's where they got the shock of their lives because the Americans, or the Patriots, actually ended up coming out on top. They basically outsmarted the British, and they ended up winning that battle. So who won the Battle of Concord? The Patriots. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to find Massachusetts on your map, which Massachusetts is right there. And on your map, you're going to write Lexington and Concord. And you're going to want to write it kind of small because you're going to have something else to write there soon. So write it kind of small right near Massachusetts, like that.